Good afternoon, sir. My name is Tumiko Anya. I am from University of Perpetual Health System Delta, Calamba Campus, and I will be your student nurse for today. Sir, for verifications lang po, ask ko lang po yung name nila.
Nerdia Roberto.
Okay. Your age
14.
and the date of birth.
11.
Alright, thank you so much, sir, for the information po, no? So, before we start to the actual assessment, I'm going to explain with you the assessment that we are going to do po. So, yung procedure po na gagawin natin is I'm going to assess your mouth, throat, nose, and sinuses po. And in order for me to do that po, I will be needing your cooperations po para po maging accurate and yung assessment po natin. Okay lang po ba yun, sir?
Okay po.
So, yan. So, sir, before we start po, magkakaroon po muna tayo ng history taking po. So, do we have allergy po ba or sa mga nasal or sinuses po natin?
Wala po.
Wala naman po. How about difficulty breathing po?
Wala po.
Wala naman po. So, have you remember any sinuses infections po?
Wala po.
Wala naman po kayo na-remember. Meron po ba tayong injury sa nose or face?
Wala naman po.
Wala din naman po. How about medication such as changes in smell po?
Wala naman po.
Wala. So, thank you so much, sir, no? I will be noting all of the informations po. So, sa history naman po ng ating mouth, sir, ask ko lang po, can you describe po yung routine pattern po natin in dental care? Ilang beses po tayo nagtututbrush kada araw?
3.
3 beses po. Last visit po natin sa dentist,
2 months.
2 months po. So, meron po ba tayong past history of ulcer?
Wala naman po.
Wala naman po. Meron po ba tayong lesion na nakikita or sugat?
Wala po.
Wala. Meron po ba tayong na-experience na denture discomfort po or yung pananakit po ng gums natin?
Wala naman po.
Wala din naman po. Nagtitake po ba tayo ng any medications?
Hindi po.
Hindi po. Ayan. So, I will close the curtain po to provide privacy po sa inyo po, no? So, okay. So, I already provide privacy for the patients and I'm going to do a hand hygiene po to observe a infectious control po. So sir, now that I already explained to you the procedure po that we are going to do po, I'm going now to inspect po for any deviations po sa ating nose po. I'm going to note po some color, redness po, swelling po, or discharge po sa ating nose po. Titignan lang po natin if meron tenderness, masses po, or mga discharge po or flaring po. Okay? Awesome. Okay. Okay. So, okay. So, ang second si sir. Okay po, dito po tayo. Okay. Alright. So, as I have seen, sir, no, yung nose naman po natin is appearing symmetric naman po. Meaning to say, pantay naman po siya sa face natin. And straight naman po siya, which is uniform in color din naman po. So, I have no seen any presence of discharge po or yung flaring po sa ating nose po, no? Ngayon naman po, I'm going to lightly palpate po yung ating nose po. Okay lang po ba yun?
Okay po.
Para makita po natin if there is a tenderness or masses po. Gloves. I'm going to wear gloves po, sir. Ang palpate naman po, para makita natin if there is tenderness or okay. When I lightly palpated po, I have no seen any presence of tenderness, masses po sa ating nose po, which are a good thing. So, sir, wala din naman po akong nakitang tenderness, lesions, or pamamaga. So, sir, nung pinalpate po ba yung nose nyo po, is meron po ba kayong naramdaman na pain?
Wala naman po.
Wala naman po. So sir, yung next procedure po na gagawin po natin is I'm going to determine the patency of both nasal cavity po. So I'm going to occlude po. I'm going to occlude yung one nostril at a time po natin. So okay lang po ba na hawakan ko po yung ating ilong? Okay. So I'm going to occlude po yung isa nating nose and I'm going to ask you to inhale or exhale. Okay lang po ba yun? Inhale. Exhale. Okay, yung kabila naman po. Okay, isa pa po. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so now that I are checked po for the patency of the both nasal po natin, I'm going to jot down po some findings po sa ating so sir, yung next procedure naman po natin is I'm going to observe po yung nasal cavity po natin. So in order for me to do that po, I'm going to observe po yung nasal cavities po natin. Okay na po ba yun? Hahawakan ko po yung ilong niyo po at titignan ko po if there is a redness, color, or tenderness po, or lesions na nakikita po tayo. So with the use of pen light po, I'm going to, so sir, I invite you po, okay lang po ba na lumapit po tayo? Tapos, ano po natin yung ating ilong, okay po? So, igaganto ko lang po. Okay. Okay. With the use of nasal speculum po, I'm going to observe the patients po, no? I have not seen any discharge or flaring po. So, wala din naman po ka nakikita any lesions. Okay, so, I'm going to note lang po yung findings na nakita ko po. Okay na po ba yun? So, ayun sir, no? I have not seen any presence of redness, swelling, or growth and discharge po, which are good thing po, kagaya po ng sinabi ko kanina upon assessing po yung ating nasal cavities po. Dahil isang mucosa is dark pink or and free of sudate po. Next procedure naman po na gagawin natin is I'm going to palpate yung maxillary and frontal sinuses po natin. Hahawakan ko lang po ulit yung ating face po natin, so para maano po natin yung maxillary po, maxillary gland po natin. Okay. Yung frontal naman po natin. And I'm going to percuss lang po yung ating frontal po. So yung frontal and maxillary naman po natin, ng sinuses natin are non-tender. And on palpations po and percussions po. And wala naman po ako nakitang nakapang any lesions or ano po. Or ano, sakto lang naman po siya, which are good thing po as well. So, ang tip ko lang po is that always to drink water and stay hydrated po. So, sir, yung next procedure naman po na gagawin natin is I'll be inspecting po yung outer lips po natin for symmetry, symmetry of contour, color, and yung texture po natin. So, sir, okay lang po ba na, okay, so maybe, as I can see, alright. So, sir, can you purse your mouth po, sir? Yung ganito ba? Okay, alright. So, okay na po sir. Thank you for pursing your mouth. Or, as I can see po, yung lips naman po natin is uniformly pink naman po siya. Moist din naman po and at the same time, symmetric naman po siya. So, I'll be noting that po as well. So, nakita ko rin po sir na smooth naman po yung texture niya po. Next procedure naman po na gagawin ko is I will be putting the gloves po. Or, because po, I'm going to inspect and palpate po yung ating inner lips po for buccal mucosa po. Okay na po ba yun?
Okay po.
Sir, can you open your mouth po? So, I'll be inspecting po yung ating textures po and okay. Alright. So, with the use of pen light po, sir, titignan po natin. So, as I can see po, yung buccal mucosa naman po natin is appeared to be uniformly pink po, yung loob natin, and moist naman po siya. And upon palpating it po, soft blistering naman po siya with elastic texture din po. So next naman po sir, I'll be inspecting yung gums po natin and dentures po. Okay lang po ba sir na ibuka po ulit natin yung ating bunganga? Alright. Upon inspecting po yung gums and dentures natin, so as I can see po, okay naman po yung gums and dentures natin and intact naman po siya. And sinabi nyo na hindi naman po kayo gumagamit ng any ng pustiso po. So yung procedure naman po na gagawin natin is I'll be inspecting po yung ating inner part po ng ating po. So okay lang po ba na itaas po natin yung ano natin, dila po natin at i-stick po natin sa root po. So, can you put pressure po with the use of tongue po dito po sa ating cheeks po? Yan po. Okay po. Put pressure pa po. Okay. Okay po. Can you stick po again and put pressure on the other side? Okay. And please move po yung ating tongue for the movement po ng ating tongue. So, as I can see po, yung cheeks naman po natin is nagpuput pressure naman po or nagpuput naman po ay nagre-resist naman po siya, which are good thing po as well. And yung next procedure naman po natin as I'll be inspecting po yung ating floor mouth po at saka yung frenulum po natin para na i-put natin sa roof yung pang natin. Okay? Okay. Ito po yung ating tongue po, yung floor and frenulum po natin is nakita ko po na intact naman po yung submandibular salivary gland po natin. Nakita ko rin po yung one-turn stalk po natin is yung sa opening po ng submandibular gland natin is okay naman po siya. So yung next procedure naman po na gagawin natin is I'm going to palpate po yung ating tongue po sa floor of the mouth po for any nodules, lumps, or exocerate areas po. So sir, I'm going to palpate lang po yung ating mouth po for any nodules, lumps, or lesions po na nag-exudate po sa ating bunganga. Okay lang po ba sir? So okay, so with the use of this sterile gaze pad po, I'm going to palpate po yung ating tongue po. Okay sir, open your mouth, wider po. Okay, so nodules. As I use po yung ating gauze pad po in palpating po yung ating tongue po, wala naman po akong nakitang any lesions, lumps po, or any lesions po, or lumps, or tenderness po sa ating po akong nakitang any nodules po. Sir, okay lang po ba na i-inspect ko po yung hard and soft palate po natin for any bony prominences po? Okay lang po? Alright, thank you so much, sir. Okay. Okay. Ayan. So, thank you so much, sir. As I can see, wala naman po akong nakitang any enlargement of the tonsils po, any bony prominences po, na pwedeng makita po sa ating po, which are good thing as well po. So, sir, yung next naman po is I'm going to inspect for the ovula, the positions po ng ating mouth po, and I'm going to inspect po for the ovular positions or some characteristic po. Okay, wider. So sir, yung next step naman po na gagawin natin is I'm going to observe for the color, discharge, or shape po ng ating tonsils. Okay lang po ba yan? Okay, can you open your mouth? Okay. So thank you sir. As I can see po na yung ovula okay naman po siya. And yung tongue din naman po natin with the blade po, nag-stimulate naman po yung gag reflex natin. So yun sir, as I inspect the tonsil po for color, discharge, and enlargements po, okay naman po yung tonsils natin and good naman po siya. So which are good thing po. So yun lang po sir. So thank you so much sir for participating, and I hope sir na you all take care of your hygiene when it comes to mouth. Always brush your teeth and always visit your dentist, and at the same time consult your doctor if